Yeah, cool. Whakalawhale atu ki Mutulu Wisi. A fualai mataki aho nei motu Niue, Totolu whakaheli ka hako, he ngā hako e Sini Jackson. Whanau au e Tuwhakia. Un tau si whanaki New Zealand e tō fua. Lui mai lai au e tau nei, ke nowhi e kei hako ki haumi aluwhi tokolau, ke maanga e whakatoka mai tau matu hako ki matu whiwhini hako. Heia, tolu, whakaue. Greetings to you all from the beautiful island of Niue. It's my home, it's my love, it's my passion. I was born in Niue and left as a 2-year-old. And stayed in New Zealand for 21 years and returned just on my 21st birthday, and it made me realise a number of things about myself, and it actually ticked 2 boxes in my life at that time, was that I was very proud to be a Niuean, 2, that Niue was my home. And so over the next many years I've made the shift to come back and learn about who I am, and my purpose in terms of answering questions that have been, you know, internal in myself and just with my family, and saying, you know, what is it like really to be a Niue? And to be a Niue, you have to come to Niue to be Niue. And so I've made that transition this year. I've got a house that I've had built by a close family member in the Lofi North, and I'm also building another house up in the village of Hikatawaki. To get to that place where I think a lot of Niueans would like to be and return to Niue, there are challenges. One, firstly, it's the language. Niue speaks predominantly Niuean, but all Niueans are also very competent in English. The other thing is that you have to connect with your family. And connecting with your family, you will connect with your land. Understand your family, and then they will understand what your intentions are. But you can't come and think that, you know, the door's going to open for you, the red carpet's going to be laid out. There are challenges, and some of the challenges can come within your own family, and that's all good. You just got to have the bravery, the courage to forge forward, and also to be empathetic, kind, understanding, and come with your family, you know, and show your true self, because Niueans are really cool people. All the cousins, nephews and nieces and your matuas, because it's not you that they're recognising your parents and your grandparents. And when I came back, everyone talks about my grandparents. So I'm just the end product of my great grandparents, my grandparents, my parents, and then me. And then they go, oh, Simon, is great that you can come back. Simon is my English name, one that I'm known by, but my Niue name is Esili, which comes from the village of Haku. Get to know your family, you'll get to know your land. We all love taro, we all love unga, so if you want to eat KFC, stay in New Zealand. Yeah. The traditions are still very much the same in terms of village life, as you know, that's how a child is raised. We have our ocean, which supports us, and we have our vau, our bush, that supports us. And as family, we all work together for a common goal. And there are heaps of really cool things I knew you can do. There are a lot of wonderful distractions, like we have restaurants now, we have sports, and our education system, we have you know, we have a reasonably good health system, and so those things a lot of people, you know, get really concerned about. Oh, I can't come back to Niue because of my health, and you have to be able to, don't leave it too late. Come when you're young, bring your family. There's a lot of opportunity here for family. I wish that my parents never left and never took me to New Zealand, and that's on reflection. I love them to pieces, and when they passed away in New Zealand. But myself and my brothers, my family, we brought them back. We brought them back to rest in their place. So, love Niue, absolutely adore being here and meeting up with John, who's giving me this interview, and he's looking at coming back. And that's a big step for a person his age too. And I just wish him all the best, and I wish everyone else who's going to look at coming to Niue make the decision early. You know, I've been told that the runway is getting a bit short for me now and the sun is starting to set. So hey, I live every day for each day, and my health is my blessing. And as long as you have that and the Lord to want us to be on Niue, then everything else will work out. So I love you all. I wish you all the best with your intentions in terms of wanting to come to Niue, and I hope this video helps. And if you need to ask any more further questions, just get hold of John. Yeah, love your podcast, bro. I'll start following you now. And o te loki te tolo, make it te tolo ki whakalata ngongo nei I motu whakeli te tolo ko Niue, o te lau ko inia. So I'll get out of shot.
Oh, all good. Oh, shucks. Alright guys, that's Simon's house. Whalea Simon just did it. He let me, kind enough to let me come and take some photos and do a video just to see what it's like. So this is what's possible if you work hard and come reconnect with your family in Niue and put the effort in. If you listen to what Simon was saying, just got to come back and reconnect, and this is what's possible. Beautiful house right across from the Catholic Church, and yeah, hopefully if this is something that you're looking at doing, you can maybe contact Simon next time you're in Niue and just find out how he done it. But yeah, beautiful place, beautiful spot. Thanks a lot to Simon.